Hello, good morning. Good morning sa inyong lahat, guys. Ayun, dito tayo banda, guys, today. For today's morning, andito yung ano natin, guys. Kumusta kayong lahat? Ito yung update natin, guys. Kumusta? Good morning sa lahat, guys. Ayun, may mga papaya din dito, guys. Ayan, may mga manok din. Guys, so yun lang, guys. Kamusta kayong lahat? Good morning sa inyong lahat, guys. Have a good day and wonderful day to all. So, ito na naman ako, guys. Working early in the morning na naman ako, guys. So yun, sana nakikita nyo, guys. Yun lang.